Did you find some kittens?
Find some kittens inside.
Oh my goodness.
Kittens. Kittens. Kittens.
You found 3 little kittens? Where'd you find those kittens?
From the garden.
You found them in the garden?
Yeah.
So what did you do?
I saw paper. What are you doing?
You found 3 little kittens in the garden?
Yeah.
And you brought them inside?
I want them inside.
What are you doing with them? What are you going to do with those kittens?
Don't you when you're there? Oh.
Oh, he's got claws, doesn't he? He holds on. He might bite you. Be careful. Be careful.
Don't you? Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Don't you? Stay there, no chickens. Stay there, no chickens. Stay there on the chickens. There. Hold on, kittens. Hold on, kittens. It's okay.
Be careful.
Stay out. Stay out. Stay out. Oh, 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 oh.
Don't pull his tail. Don't be so rough with the kitties. What are you doing? Should we put them outside?
Nah.
They want to go in the garden.
No.
Besides, they might have to go tinkle.
I don't have to go to school.